1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 82. Dear says, we are afraid that we shall be unable to recover the total sum due on your claim unless you adopt different measures. We have used special efforts, but up to the present we have sent with no success in our endeavors to get the debtor to settle. Full stop. We are unable to collect any money, nor can we extract any promise from him. Full stop. We think you will be obliged finally to pass the claim over to your solicitors. Full stop. Please notify us if you wish us to proceed with the case and take this step for you. Very truly yours, comma.